Hey, what's up, Pivot Shift Ahead community? It's your friend James. And look, we have Nakia and Jenny. What's going on, ladies?
Woohoo! We're
It's
excited.
time.
We are excited. So you guys have been asking for this. We brought this up, I don't know, on a call, and we said, I think it was everybody took business planning clinic, and they said, hey, we need to know how to do a GPS and a 411 to help us reach our goals in 2021. And I'm telling you, these two ladies know those tools better than anybody I've ever met. So we finally put together a workshop, and I don't want to bury the lead. So I'm going to tell you, it's December 22nd from 12 to 1:30 Eastern. December 22nd from 12 to 1. And it's free. You get to hang out with Jenny and Nakia for $0. It's going to be amazing. We're going to put it in the Pivot Shift Ahead Facebook group, and we'll do it on Zoom. And we're going to put the link in the comments. So if you want to be on the Zoom call, click the link in the comments. You can be on the Zoom call. Otherwise, watch it on Facebook. Of course, if it's on Facebook, it's automatically recorded, so you'll never miss it. So Jenny, you're going to do the GPS part for them. Give us a little preview of what we're going to talk about.
Well, I love these tools. They have really helped my business over the years. And I love the GPS, the goals, priorities, and strategies that you can easily implement into your business to have a big, amazing business and life. And I'm excited to share that with you guys.
All right. So then once they get a GPS, they can figure out what are the daily, weekly, monthly activities they got to work on. Nakia, you're then going to walk them through how to do a 411.
Absolutely. Once you know what direction you're going in, now you need an action plan. The 411 is the perfect tool for you to take your direction from your GPS and implement it into a workable plan that you can have a relationship with your goals the entire year long. We're going to walk you through step by step, going from annual, monthly to weekly, and how to utilize that tool, not so that it's a piece of artwork, but so that you get into a relationship with your goals throughout the entire year. 2020 was weird. Let's face it. We spent more time on Zoom than we have in our cars, but I'm telling you that 1 month to the gallon is pretty awesome. But now we're going to help you take 2021 to the next level and help you implement the tools that are available at the highest level until you continue to grow your businesses and your life by design.
I love it. All right, that's what we're going to do. Now, you both said that there are some things that if they have time, it might be helpful to maybe read or watch or listen to in advance. So ladies, are you going to put those in the comments on here of anything you want them to maybe look at or read or pay attention to? Okay.
Start here. Actually, I would say just go ahead and read it all if you haven't, but especially starting at the success habit, page 112 is a great place to start for the session I'm going to talk about.
Got it. And if you, by the way, don't have time to do anything, don't worry about it. Show up anyway. Nakia, what were you going to add?
Absolutely. Reading the one thing is almost a no-brainer. However, or listening to it on Audible, we know we have listeners in our group. And if you want to take some time to start working on, we'll go ahead and put a link to a template for a 411 that you can go ahead and download and start putting some things down. If you have that, you can even refine it through the workshop, and we'll help you get a little bit more clarity on what it is you want to accomplish.
Awesome. All right, we're going to see you. It's our gift to you, December 22nd, noon to 1:30 Eastern. No charge, right here on the Facebook page, or you can sign up on the link in the comments. And we'll see you then, right, ladies?
Bye, guys. See you soon.